King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, if you are interested in learning how to make this beautiful lip gloss, then keep on watching. So we're going to start by adding 6 tablespoons of coconut oil to one bowl. And in the other bowl, I have about 4.5 ounces of Get Sucker gloss base. Now, I know you guys remember me using Ready Gloss. I still use Ready Gloss. I'm just trying to get rid of all of my Get Sucker gloss base before I switch over to Ready Gloss. That gloss base is so amazing. It makes everything so much easier. But for now, I need to use the rest of my Get Sucker gloss base because I bought them in bulk. Next, we're going to add our hydrogenated polyisobutene, which is great for giving your gloss extra shine and smoothness. Next, we're going to add this delicious smelling white chocolate Get Sucker flavoring oil. Add this mica pigment powder that I got from Amazon, and everything will be linked in the description below. Everything that I use in this video is going to be linked in the description below, but this is in the color Pearl. Now go ahead and mix all those lovely ingredients together thoroughly. This oil mixture that we just created is what is going to give us that angelic look of the gloss. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our oil mixture into our gloss base and mix it thoroughly. Now somebody actually commented on one of my videos and sent me a picture of my DM asking me to make this gloss. So I hope that she is happy that I'm creating this gloss, and I hope that she gets the answers that she was looking for. spice this gloss up a little bit more and add these beautiful butterflies to the lip gloss. I got these from AliExpress and they will be linked in the description below. Loving this gloss even the more with these beautiful butterflies in it. I really like the vibe that it's giving. Now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. How the gloss is looking inside of the syringe. Absolutely gorgeous. I was finished filling all the tubes, this is the beautiful outcome of the gloss. I really feel like the butterflies help bring out the gloss even the more. So let me know what you guys think. Like lip and arm swatches, so I am giving you a lip swatch and an arm swatch right now. Now we're going to go ahead and add the caps and tops to all of our squeeze tubes. Go ahead and give our glosses a gloss bath. Gloss baths just contain soap and water and help give your glosses that extra sanitization. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe to Sexy Lexy Inc. I love you guys. Bye.
Gang got the hammer in the gang 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 got the hammer gang 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 got the hammer in the ring.